we're back. We're back to our charts. So we're gonna talk about FNI today, Global FerroNickel Holdings. This is most talk about mining stock uh, last week, since there was a discrepancy on reports of news of the closure of 20 mining industries in the country. So we're gonna talk about this one because there are a lot of people who were investing and trading FNI and actually was losing a lot of money. Okay, they were losing a lot of money because of those reports, especially from Rappler, which they retracted. But then again, FNI is still suspended, and currently for today, today's trading, they're requesting for a temporary hold. Now, the big question I have is, why would you have FNI in the first place? Okay, because most of those traders I saw on forums, comments they lost money. They lost further money in FNI. So meaning to say, they've been holding this stock. They've been holding position for FNI long before Sec Gina Lopez closed those mines. So they're looking for an opportunity for FNI to bounce back from the position they already have, and they were so butthurt that the stock fell even lower. Okay, so I've traded FNI before. We're looking at FNI. That was back in November. If you could check the link below, we've created a cup and handle pattern for FNI. Let me just draw that real quick for you. This was our cup formation, and then this was our handle before it rallied up. So check the link on how to trade cup and handle. That's FNI. That's specifically for FNI. When we traded FNI back in November, that was November, and FNI had been falling, or had been on a bearish trend since then. So that was my question: why would you have FNI in the first place when the stock has already been on a bearish trend, or downward movement? Okay, so it doesn't make sense for you to actually hold the stock, because it has been on a reversal mode since November, right about here. Okay, so what happened back then is that potential shoulder pattern was forming. When we traded FNI, we were trying to look for a continuation, but then it didn't happen, and it formed a head and shoulder pattern, which is a bearish formation. Okay, which is a bearish formation. So so our cup and handle, we entered here on the handle area, and then it rallied up, and what made us pull out from the position, what made us pull out from FNI, is because of the crossover of moving average 13 and 20. Okay, for those of you who are not familiar with my channel, I always use moving averages. So these are my indicators when I trade. So when I traded FNI, I was hoping for it to still rally up, because it already hit my target price, and I just wanted to see whether it would still move up. But then again, when it created a left shoulder and head, and then a neckline here, that was telling me that FNI is about to be that's about to reverse. Plus, I saw the cross under of moving average 13, this yellow one. It crossed under moving average 20, which is a sell signal for me. No questions asked. Pull out your position and then move on. So it's back in November. If you could see the bottom portion of the screen, you see 11/21, 2016. So it created the right it created a right shoulder, and then it closes under the neckline. So that's already the signal that the completion of the head and shoulder pattern. So those people who are actually holding some position in FNI are actually just it. They were trying to look for signs that FNI would reverse and recover their position from, I guess, from these trades. So you've been holding FNI for too long, and it just so happened that 20 mines were closed for you to lose more money when supposedly you could have cut your loss right about here. So the fuzz is you don't listen to what other people say. Even those disclosure for the companies, of course, they would make it sound okay. Disclosure, they sugarcoat everything, and you don't really see what's happening on the stock. You look at the charts, they tell you everything. You can filter everything by just looking at price action. You know where the stock would go. Now, today is Monday, February 6th. Um, FNI requested a hold on trading, so I think there's a lot of traders looking forward for that to open and see if there would be a sudden surge of buyers for FNI. Well, that could happen. That's a possibility. But note that there's also a possibility that FNI would even go further down. Okay. So the lesson here is learn to look at charts. Don't listen to other people. If don't listen to other people or what they're saying. And don't even listen to me. I'm just telling you what I'm how I look at stock market. Don't even listen to me. Try to create your own chart. Try to analyze in your own understanding, your learning, and then practice your techniques. And then you get better and see how it would be profitable for you to trade in the stock market. So far, if ever there's a sell position for FNI, I could have sold this. I could have short out FNI. I could have make a lot of money out of it. But then again, we don't have any option for to sell stocks in the Philippines as of the moment. I'm looking forward for that. That's one that's one way you could earn money on bearish market. But for now, I salute those people who actually gain from FNI and walk away with money. Well, lesson learned for everybody. Those people who actually lost FNI, that's okay. We have paper loss. You just have to learn more about charting and filter all the market noise out there, right? Hopefully you learned something out from this video. Don't forget to hit that like and share button, and also check the link below for how to trade cup and handle using FNI that was back 2 months ago, right? So I'll see you in the next video.